Welcome to another episode of Air Traffic Out of Control, the podcast bringing you the best, most interesting, and most outrageous air traffic control recordings, right from the tower to your ears. I'm your host, Amy Tango Charlie. In this episode, we have gotten audio from the fatal plane crash on January 25th due to the massive snowstorm in the US, taking 6 innocent lives. May you all be safe. Let's listen in.
A252 Bangor Tower, wind 050 at 8, runway 33, clear to land.
Land 33. We're good. Weather update.
Affirmative. New information that I had just put out about 9 minutes ago. Visibility is 3/4, light snow, indefinite ceiling 1,200, and altimeter 3039er, temperature -16, dew point -19er, and 33 RVR better than or more than 6,000.
Roger, thanks so much for that.
And ground 10 Kilo Juliet, we're ready to taxi.
10 Kilo Juliet, runway 33, taxi via Alpha.
Yeah, Alpha to 33, 10 Kilo Juliet.
And Moxie 252 to be a right turn on Mike, right turn at Alpha, and a left at Kilo for the ramp. And do you happen to recall bases and request a braking report?
Alright, we got Mike Alpha Kilo. Braking was pretty good. Broke out about, well, we saw the approach light at 600.
Roger, thank you. And over 10 Kilo Juliet, tower, just advising you're ready. Over 10 Kilo Juliet, Bangor Tower, runway 33 RVR, more than 6,000, wind is 060 at 9er, runway 33, runway heading, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, runway 33, 10 Kilo Juliet. Let there be light.
All traffic is stopped on the field. All traffic is stopped on the field. Moxie, continue taxiing to the ramp.
Continuing to the ramp, Moxie 232.
Aircraft upside down. We have a passenger aircraft upside down.
All crash. 6-4, proceed on the airport. The airport's yours. The airport is closed. All crash vehicles move as needed on the airfield.
Bangor ground. Airport command.
Bangor ground.
Any idea how many souls on board?
Let's stand by. Let me see if I can get it. We don't have an exact number. They know 3 crew and possibly 5 passengers. The FBO is going to get back to me with the total number.
Copy, thank you.
In Bangor ground, Allegiant 976.
Allegiant 976, Bangor ground.
Hey listeners, I'm the captain of this flight. Is it possible to get a number to the tower to talk to someone real quick? Is that possible?
Yeah, let me give you it's area code 207. 561.
Okay, give me about 5-10 minutes. I'll give you a call. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
That's all for this episode of Air Traffic Out of Control. Remember, if you love the show, please tell a friend and be sure to follow or subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, X, so you don't miss any of our updates. There's a link in the show notes. Thanks for joining us on board today. Until next time.